octopus, and that's what it is. What do you know?
It is cephalopod week.
Yes, indeed. Look, how's that a cute little guy or
Waving
what?
his arm. Oh my goodness, that is adorable.
I'm just hiding here. You can ignore me. I'm really here.
Time to get blown.
Can we get the lasers so we can see how big
He's
this guy is?
tiny.
Yeah. Video, can we come out when we get settled real quick?
That's a small one.
I never quite look for blue when I think of octopi. I never quite look for blue when I think of octopi.
Yeah, can we zoom in and get the lasers so we can see?
Sure.
Oh yeah, he's
he's
giving us a beauty shot here.
Zoom, 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 zoom.
Ooh.
Video.
He's the same
They're the
size as the other
lasers.
one.
Pan up a bit.
He's looking as big as he can to scare you away.
Oh, that's cute.